Hello guys and welcome back to Gadget Grasp 101 channel. Today we are going to be learning how to turn on active status on Instagram. Here is how you can try to turn on your active status on Instagram. Follow these steps. First of all, open the Instagram app. After that, tap on your profile icon, which is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and tap on Setting and Privacy. In Setting and Privacy, scroll down. You can see here messages and story replies. Tap on it and tap on Show Activity Status. You should see a toggle switch next to Show Activity Status. Switch it on to display your activity status. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.